Sociable weavers build huge communal nests. Inside is up to 9 degrees cooler. Their nest has attracted a pair of pygmy falcons. Among the smallest raptors on Earth, these unlikely squatters take advantage of the weavers' hard work. Sometimes, they even eat them. But when it comes to neighbors from hell, weaver birds have even bigger problems. This hive of life attracts all sorts of predators. The weavers appear defenseless, but they have a security force, ready to fend off any attack. Only the size of your fist, but the falcons pack a punch. And thankfully, these fierce little fighters show some restraint. Most of the time, there's plenty of other prey around. For the weavers, it's a case of better the devil you know. And for the little falcons, it's a one-stop solution to finding food and shelter in the barren desert.